Good morning everyone. This is the table for T ratio of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You have to remember sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Sin 0 degree, the value is 0. Sin 30 degree, value 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree, 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Sin 90 degree, 1 by 1. Now cos, in cos you have to just this all value you have to reverse, means 1 is here, root 3 by 2 is here, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0 is here for cos theta at 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Tan theta, in the tan theta you have to just this by this, 0 by 1 is 0. You have to, if you want to understand, then see here, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means 0. You got 0. Again tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So this is for tan 0 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree for 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. I have taken 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 here. Now 2 cancel, you get 1 by root 3. You have to get 1 by root 3. Now for tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree means tan 45 degree sin 45 by this 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, all cancel is equal to 1. You get this one. In this again this by this, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 cancel, you got root 3 here. Okay. Now this not defined, 1 by 0, tan 90 degree is equal to 1 by 0, which is not defined. Okay, we got this. Again cosec theta not defined, 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. In the sec theta you have to just convert this, 1 here, 2 by root 3 is here, root 2 is here, again 2 here, not defined is here. Okay. Similarly cot theta you have to cosec theta by sec theta, means not defined by 1. If you want to understand this, for cot theta is equal to cosec theta by sec theta, means cot 0 degree is equal to cot theta is equal to cosec theta by sec theta. Cot 0 degree is equal to not defined by 1. Not defined by 1. Not defined by 1 means not defined. Again cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree means this 2 by 2 root 3. This cosec 30 by sec 30. Cosec 30 by sec 30. 2 divided by 2 by root 3. Then here you got this, these two cancel, you got only this, matlab root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. You got this. Again cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree is equal to root 2 by root 2. Cancel this is equal to 1. Cot 60 degree is equal to This is the cos of 60 degree, 2 by root 3 divided by 2. You cancel this, you got the root 3 only, sorry, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 you got. Now cot 90 degree is equal to 1 by not defined is equal to 0. 1 by something not defined. Not defined means infinity, large number. 1 by large number is 0. Then by this type you have to remember this for the class 10.